Hey, hello guys, Brian back here with a Gala update. We have broken through that resistance. All right, if we open this chart up, you can see we have broken through this yellow resistance line. This is massive. I said if we broke through this area, we got rejected here, we got rejected here, and we got first time we got rejected here. And the second run has busted through it. This run could turn out to be absolutely massive. Okay, and I'm going to show you the RSIs in a little bit. We're going to take a look at some price targets and see where this thing could be headed next. Okay, first off, the crypto bubbles. I want to show you guys something. This is for the month out there. This is unbelievable. Look at Gala up just about 48%. Okay, if we click on Gala, 24-hour volume, 204 million. So you can see the volume picking up drastically. We're up 23 spots to number 73. All right, with a market cap of 534 million. So massive volume coming in there. That's big volume. It's almost 50% of the market cap. So nice volume coming in. That's great to see. All right, now if we go to the weekly, nice 51.8%. And this is all happening because of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin runs, the Gala's up 16.2 for the day and minus zero point 0.2 for the hour. But when Bitcoin decides to take off and run, this is what happens. And Bitcoin has some price targets here I want to share with you real quick. It broke, this is on the daily chart. It broke through that last Fibonacci level, that 786. So the first target up here is at 36,000, roughly 36,300 bucks. All right. Now, if you look at Bitcoin's RSIs, the stochastic and irregular, the daily is at the top here, but you have the 12 hours reset, and at the bottom, you have the 8-hour reset. Okay. And the 4 is getting towards the top, all right? But with that 12 and the 8 reset, I'm expecting to run towards that 36. We also have the weekly still heading up, all right? And we have the monthly, the 78.8 and the 79.6. So very close to flipping bullish again here. It's trying to push back up. And you can see here, this is a pretty major level here. This 36,000 bucks. Actually, the area I want to see it break through is right up here, right there, at about 38.5. That would take out this area right through here, which was major support on the fall down. If we break through there, then we flip this resistance into support. So that would be a major flip right there. All right, but this first area at 36, we're going to keep a major eye on that. Bitcoin for the month is up 31%. Not too shabby. That's pretty massive, especially for Bitcoin. 31% is a lot. All right, so let's take a look at Gala here. With the monthly RSI is reset and bullish at a 9 and a 6. The monthly, all right, that's the big one. That's the first time, since this chart has started on here that this thing has been reset. It's been falling and falling, since this goes back to February of 23. So there should be a little bit more history than that on this chart. But the weekly is also still heading up. Okay, you got the weekly RSI heading up. You got nice volume here for the week. 16.3 billion Gala have been bought right there. 16.3 billion. You right down here, we're only up at a 48. So this has a long ways to head up. Okay, the daily's getting towards the top here, getting a little high. It's at 86 and at 88. The 12-hour is heading back up. All right, you can see that breakthrough right there. As soon as this 12 headed back up, that's when we got this bust up through this resistance area, which is massive. The 8-hour is on the floor, just starting up. All right, and you got your 4-hour still heading up also. Okay, this is the big one though, the monthly. All right, that's the one you want to see really going here. Now, some first price targets to watch for Gala. All right, the first set of price targets. All right, first set would be right up here at 0.044 to 0.047, 0.048, 4748. Okay, so from roughly 0.044 to 0.048. That'd be your first area to watch for. Now, if we bust through this area, if we bust through the 0.052, then we're heading to higher prices. Then we would have to move this. Let's see here. Let me open this chart up a little bit more. All right, then we would, let's go out in weekly. That's our first set of targets. The next set would have to move our Fibonacci up here. All right, and then look for the next set of targets up there, which we would obviously more than likely blast through that area. Then there's not a whole lot. After that, you go the whole way up here. Okay, then we would be looking at some decent gains. Then you're talking back up to 18 to 21 cent area. So that's what we're talking about. That's from here roughly a 10x. So that would be beautiful. And with the monthly RSI reset, that is very, very possible. Okay, it's about time Gala started to do something here. This thing has gone sideways for a long time. So first off, like I said, let's watch them first price areas. We break through there, then we'll move to the second set. But the first set, to go over one more time, and please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I would appreciate that. Is right there, okay? 0.044 to 0.048. All right, we bust through them areas, then we'll start looking at the next set. All right, but I'm expecting this thing to really start moving, especially once it's broke that. Now, in the short term, okay, I'll show you what to maybe expect here. Okay, usually when you better get a big green candle like this, all right, you have your first push up, then you have a retest, and then you take off. All right, so just be careful of that if you're looking to buy in. Not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but most of the time you'll get a retest and then it bounce out of here. So just keep an eye on that. All right, guys, thank you so much. I will talk to you very soon. Congratulations, everybody. Looks like it's going to be a lot of fun here for the next who knows, month, 2 months. Could get very, very interesting.